Hello and welcome to Asia Travel Slideshow. This clip is about the Ha Giang-loop in the upper north of Vietnam. Three days on a motorcycle through amazing scenery. Traditional weaving of linen and hemp cloth, and painting in the tiny village of Lung Tam. The Vietnamese-Chinese border. The dark mountains, China. In tiny villages, we met many beautiful people from the Hmong, Thai, and Zhao ethnic groups. One of them, a very friendly farmer, invited us into his home for a cup of tea and a smoke of his Tuac Lao pipe. We decided to stick to the tea. All alone on a ridge in Ha Giang. At the end of the afternoon, we took a lovely ride on a wooden boat on the No Quay River. This is the Snake Road. On Sundays, people gather at the crossings to meet each other, and they bring buckwheat flowers and their best clothes, and the flower girls are just amazing. Once in every 6 days, it's market in the small village of Cho Lung Pin. People gather from miles around to buy, sell, and meet. Another amazing experience in Ha Giang. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our slideshow. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks a lot. For more presentations, please visit our YouTube channels, Thailand Travel Slideshow and World Travel Slideshow. Thank you.